Here are some general health tips that you might find useful. Eat a balanced and nutritious diet. Include a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats in your diet. Avoid processed and junk food as much as possible. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your body hydrated and functioning properly. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night to allow your body to rest and recharge. Exercise regularly. Physical activity is essential for good health. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. Manage stress. Chronic stress can have negative effects on both your physical and mental health. Practice relaxation techniques, such as meditation or deep breathing exercises, to help manage stress. Limit alcohol and avoid smoking. Excessive alcohol consumption and smoking can have serious negative impacts on your health. If you drink, do so in moderation, and avoid smoking altogether. Get regular checkups. Make sure to visit your doctor or healthcare provider for regular checkups and preventative screenings. Practice good hygiene. Wash your hands regularly, cover your mouth and nose when you cough or sneeze, and avoid close contact with people who are sick. Wear sunscreen. Protect your skin from harmful UV rays by wearing sunscreen with at least SPF 30, and avoid excessive sun exposure.